So, such as, what books have we been reading as a class? What did we just finish? Chocolate Touch. What else, Kaylee? The Giver. Peyton.
Hopper's Penguins.
Hopper's Penguins. Michael.
I Survived.
I Survived. Perfect.
Just to start the video, the camera angle is okay. I can see the students and the teacher, but I can't clearly see what she has on the board. I would also like to see different angles from the perspective of students and other sides of the room. The audio is pretty clear from the teacher, but lots of student noises are in the background, like coughing or eagerness to answer a question. It would be helpful if she wore a mic of some sort so that her voice was clearer and the other things were a little bit drowned out. But right now she's doing a good job of engaging the students to answer questions about previous knowledge and lessons that they've talked about.
Perfect. So are those plays?
Yes. Yeah. So,
What are they?
series.
They're books. They're what else, Michaela? Novels. Perfect. So The Giver was a novel, right? It wasn't in a play. Did we perform it? No? All right. So to introduce us to plays, we are going to just watch a quick little clip. We're not watching the whole thing.
So now she has engaged the students with a video from Beauty and the Beast, which I think is a great idea for students to connect something from their life to the classroom that they are familiar with. So that was a really great piece. However, she does not give them a task for what to be doing or looking for during the video. And as the video plays, it's quite long, and she does not engage with the students, stop the video, or ask many questions, and does not circulate the room throughout the lesson, which I think could help for some of the students that get a little squirmy to have some proximity. But she does ask lots and lots of questions after the video ends before the students start to read the play that they're focusing on.
All right, so what did we notice first about the play? What did we see? Well, it was kind of a musical. Riley, what did you observe? A lot of singing. Okay, so we know that plays could have some singing. What about the part where Belle and Gaston were talking? If we saw that in a book, how would that be written as? Owen? With quotation marks. And when it...
The teacher is going to continue to ask questions about prior knowledge of different lessons that the students have learned about prior to learning about plays, and ask for their verbal responses. And eventually she's going to ask them to take out their books and turn to a new play that they're going to begin reading.
Awesome, Ryan. Perfect. So Ryan's noticing that it's saying narrator and then a whole bunch of words. Sun and a whole bunch of words. Wind, whole bunch of words. So those are actually what are known as parts. Yes, Serena? She also noticed that it was a fable, which is also great. So now, because there are parts in a play, do you see how it's written without dialogue? Do you see that? How there's no quotations or anything? That's because in a play, everything is spoken.
The teacher's doing a great job of breaking down the text that they are reading by referring to it and bringing up important pieces of the play and the elements of the structure, and asking for student feedback and calling on students that have added information. However, as the video continues, this process goes on all the way until the end, which is the last 15, it's up to 15 minutes. So as you can see here at the end, they are still reading and answering questions.
I don't know which one, because when you're the wind said I can make sure that the coat gets off, but the sun said that, and the wind said I will blow
But there has not been anything written on the board. Students have not been asked to take out anything, to write anything down. So you can see over to the left, one girl is heads down. Students have lost engagement and lost interest in this, and there hasn't really been anything interactive in the lesson. So basically, the lesson is based on students that have strengths with listening comprehension. And that is one thing that may need to change for this lesson.